Let's take a deeper dive into the short answer questions. There are, in the sample paper, it's questions 16 to 20, so there's 5 questions in that space to make up the 45 marks. So there'll be sort of themes per section. Probably the most important thing to realise is that there's a question usually towards the end which is referring to a couple of syllabus points combined. So in the sample paper, it was asked you to compare the fast fashion industry to either the aquatic or land-based ecosystems. So you could see they've brought together ecosystems and they've brought together the global sustainability. So that's quite significant. The other thing to note about the short answers is there's a recommended line length. You make sure you stick to the line length, but then there's a section at the back of the paper where you have got extra writing space. It's very important if you write more than in section A of a question and you're writing more, you say, please see the end of the paper continued, and then you make sure you label that question. Because remember, these papers are scanned.